Look, there's a bridge over here that's kind of abandoned, and over here you see that sign over there that says Cowboy, and there's another red sign there. Okay, and that red sign, you're gonna go right, and you're gonna keep going straight and then turn right, and you're gonna keep going up and up and up until you hit El Hippie. And this is why I'm saying that you can take both of them. So my recommendation is to go towards Cowboy. You go upwards to the mountains and do the one that I just did, and then go to a Hippie. Well, you can spend all day over there, but I would highly recommend you to do both. Because since you're taking this long trail out, then just do both. Oh, this looks so amazing, guys. See where that car is coming from? That's exactly where you have to go to the right. And you're gonna get to El Hippie. And if you keep going straight, you're gonna hit La Plata. La Plata? La Planta. But yeah, worth it, guys, worth it. That's the only way I see it's worth it, if you do both. Oh, and look, you can even see the river from over here. See that white spot over there? Oh, that looks so beautiful. To cross here to get to El Hippie. Oh look, small little fishies. I don't know if you see them. Oh, El Hippie. Okay. Now in El Hippie, this is the area where you're gonna park, and you're gonna come through here, okay? A little of a walk, but I promise you it's worth it. Now, if you're going to the other one that I showed you on the earlier video, you gotta do this one because they're both in the same route. Oop, my phone. Did I drop anything else by any chance? I don't think so. Whoa. You stay there? And look at this road. If I had a Jeep, I would definitely take it here. Or like a 4-track or something. No, it's not bad. Yeah, something like that. That's what I need. Something like that. I don't think my car could handle it. Ready? It's not that good. I'm not gonna lie. Can you hear it? The water.
In the middle of July, I'll fall into the deep end, giving into my feelings, afraid to go on this ride. I'm scared to crash inside. This time I might be speeding. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow.
I hear some trucks or something.
But I just want more.
Whoa!
I'm taking it slow,
OMG!
just go with the flow.
Nah, definitely my car wouldn't have done this. Look. Super muddy. Is this like the only way? I don't want to slip. Slip and fall. Whoa. Yeah, they're working on it. They're making the place better. That's good. That's steep hill. How creepy. Let's go, we made it. I didn't bring my shoes because I knew this was going to be super easy. Oh, yeah, awesome. Oh, look, guys. Look at this one. Oh, we got a blogger too. Look at this one. Now I see people jump from that rock over there. Cool. Whoa. be so nice. Whoa. Breathtaking. Now I'm wondering how to get over there. Do I have to like... Oh. So maybe jumping? Yeah, I see the jumper doing what he's doing. But guys, I want to see what's up there. This guy looks so amazing. Ooh. Not gonna lie, it was steep. This is very steep to get here. But look, look at how beautiful this river is. River El Hippie, oh my God. So beautiful. Now, I don't know if you guys can appreciate this, but look, this is what I climbed to get this shot. But it is very steep. I even had to take my flip-flops off because I was slipping. But wow, the view. I really wanted to go over there, but I can only do it if I get wet, which I'm gonna do. Because it's hot. Super hot out. Yeah. Oh, look at this little flower. Oh, wow. Incredible. But yeah, now I have to get down. It would be a lot better if I just throw myself in the water and just climb over there. But I'll do it. Very nice place to chill and relax. Under the shade, chilling. Very nice. And not that very crowded. The kids here, you can bring your kids because it's not a long hike. it's a local area that you can park the car. They also sell some Puerto Rican food, Puerto Rican fritters, and yeah, after that you come here. I've seen people come here for like, like drink beer, read books. Because in this area right there, you can just put your towel there and chill. The water is super cold. Extremely cold, guys. Whew. Now guys, that water was super cold. Not gonna lie. But it was super good. I think I spent like 2 hours, maybe more. It was so good. Refreshing. I needed that. Especially since I'm going to work now. But really nice, guys. But very much worth it. Oof. This is very muddy. Not gonna lie. Oof. I got stuck. Nice. But yeah, guys, it was awesome. So if you come to this area, I highly recommend that you do both. Okay, you do Rio Sabana and do this one. Oh, I'm so gonna miss this. So good. I went up higher, but I didn't see much. I think that one is like the best. And I went down here as well, but nothing much. So yeah, that one definitely the best. But since it's a long way out of like the rainforest to come here, that's why I'm saying you should do both. That way you take advantage. Rooster. Look at this road, guys. I need a Jeep or something. Or a rental car. That's so good. I gotta go work. Kind of looks like a property you can rent, right? And it's very close to a hippie. Yeah. Alright. And we made it. So yeah, park here, $5. And then go up there. Oh, he even has pinchos. Pinchos are meat on a stick. Very, very good. Highly recommend. Local food. Alright. See you in the next one, guys.